Yo dudes! Welcome to the best vegan chocolate chip cookie ever! Okay, why is the best ever?
Okay, this is gooey, this is chewy, this is flat, this is chocolatey, this is indulgent, and this is ready for you.
This is gooey, this is chewy, and this has no mooey!
Okay, well, this is an epic chocolate chip cookie. I've spent a long time, many years playing around with chocolate chip cookies, and this is the best one I've come up yet.
And it's got no mooey in it.
Okay, anyway, right. Enough of these poor jokes. First step, you're gonna need a steel bowl. In that bowl, you're gonna add in vegan butter. We've made our own vegan butter. Let us know if you want us to share the top tip secrets with you.
Maybe we'll shoot a video and let us know if you're interested.
So 250 grams of vegan butter of choice. Next step, we have 300 grams of coconut sugar. There will be clumps, just pop it in. And we're gonna take forks and we're gonna cream our butter and sugar together. Okay, we've creamed our butter and sugar together, our vegan butter. And
I just learned it's best to cream it with a fork.
Yeah, much better. You could use a whisk, but it's harder to clean a whisk. It's easier to use a fork. Right, time to get our dry ingredients in there. And first step we're gonna do is we're gonna make our flax egg. So we have 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. I'm gonna add in 6 tablespoons of water.
And just in case you didn't know, a flaxseed, it's also called a linseed, and that's what you get in the UK or Ireland or lots of places.
And obviously it's ground, but once it's left to soak, it coagulates and functions as a binder.
So next step, we're gonna take our flour. We've got 350 grams of just a plain white flour, whatever type of flour you're into. And I'm gonna sieve it in just to kind of avoid any clumps.
And just before anyone, this is an indulgent cookie. This is all singing, all dancing. This is a cookie that's healthy for your emotions.
Yeah, it's not probably the healthiest cookie of all.
No, but it's delicious. Next step, let's add in a rising agent. We've 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder.
So just put them through the sieve as well.
Yeah.
Beautiful, okay, here we go.
Next step, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 2 tablespoons of almond butter, just to add a slight almond note. If you don't like almond butter, replace with peanut butter or nut butter of choice.
Obviously, if you do put peanut butter, it's gonna have that kind of bang of peanuts off it. So I find almond to be a little more neutral, but up to you, of course.
Our flaxseed will have coagulated quite a bit, and this is now ready to function as the binder. In it goes.
And then it's just a matter of folding it all together. So using a fork, just simply folding all the ingredients in together into one unified.
You like to use the word mixy.
The wonderful thing about a vegan cookie dough without eggs is that you can taste the dough.
It's just beautiful.
It tastes amazing.
Like it's really lovely.
You'd eat that all day.
Okay, next step, we have 150 grams of dark chocolate. This, half of it I did make myself from scratch. But we're using chips and we're gonna use larger bits. The chips I'm gonna cook up, just chop roughly. Just it'll give a greater, I guess, texture, variety, nice marble effect on the top. Okay, in goes our chopped chips. I didn't chop them all, I just wanted a variety of texture throughout the cookies. Next step, I have a little bit of bar, about 50 grams of bar. I'm gonna chop this into long shards. This is the chocolate here that I made from scratch, from bean to bar. If you're interested in bean to bar videos, I've become obsessed. I love it, I'm totally into it. Comment below and let us know if you wanna see a video. This is 70% organic Peruvian.
Yeah.
With coconut sugar.
Are we happy enough with that?
Yeah, delighted.
Delighted with life.
Okay, right. Next step, we preheated our oven to 150 degrees. Okay, time to roll out our cookies. What's really important here is that we space them out appropriately so they've room to fall down. So I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna roll it into a little ball and just pop it down.
Okay, so the oven's preheated to 150 degrees and we've laid our cookies perfectly and we're gonna pop them in.
The leftover dough freezes really well. Just roll it up into a little tube or else just keep it for cookie dough ice cream. It's amazing. Okay, here's our top secret tip on how to make a gooey, chewy cookie. So this is a method that's been used for, many years, but it was a friend, Ed Kimler, brought it to my attention. So you see the way they've rised up a little? Watch this bit. See the way they've flattened? There we are. Now you see the way there's a lot more marble. The whole thing has changed its texture massively. So we're gonna repeat that with both trays. Just gonna take the cookies out. They've been in about 12 to 14 minutes in total. Again, give them one last drop. I'm gonna leave them cool. Other cookies, another drop.
And so we've let the cookies cool and they are smelling amazing.
And you'll see they're gooey and they're chewy. You ready for this? This is my favorite. Ready for this? Look. Oh, So they really are gooey, they're chewy. Exactly, like I feel like I'm...
Super,
we were 21, we spent a summer in Philadelphia and I fell in love with the American style chocolate chip. Gooey, chewy. That was it.
This is a vegan version. Leave a comment if you make them. We'd genuinely love to see what you think of them. And if you do, tag us on Instagram as well, because we'd love to interact with you and see what you thought of them.
Thanks for watching, dude. Sending loads of cookie love and cheers.
Thanks for subscribing and share this with anyone you think would like to try some vegan best chocolate chip cookies ever.
Cheers.
Bye.